Hello all, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing very well, especially the 10th children might be very busy in preparation for exams. Various subjects, all the subjects you have to prepare very well children, then only you will get 10 by 10 GPA. Here I brought some of the information in social studies which can be very useful, greatly helpful to you to prepare in social studies. I am going to upload various question answers from various lessons children, and this is my first video. If you like it, to subscribe it channel, right? You can see here from geography, this is the first lesson, relief features. Now with various figures and maps, I tried to explain various answers children, so it will be very easy to understand and get feeded in your mind children. Now let's see the first one. Write about India's location. It has been given. Now this mostly they'll be asked in 2-mark question children. And the first is, here I have shown a globe, a model of the earth children. You can see here a central latitude that is passing from center of this globe, right? It is called as 0 degree or it is called as equator, which divides the earth into 2 equal halves. And this area is called as northern hemisphere and this area is called as southern hemisphere. Now we have to see the India's location. We have seen here 2 boxes children, right? And the first box here where, right, it is marking and showing India. That means India this is. And this box shows Asian continent. And then here northern hemisphere, that means India is located in Asian continent in northern hemisphere. That's for sure. Now we'll see answer. How we'll write this? How we'll present this answer? Presentation of the answer. India is located in Asian continent. India is located in northern hemisphere. India lies in the latitude and longitudes of 8 degrees 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude, 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitude. Sometimes they will ask in map pointing also children. Southernmost latitude, northernmost latitude, westernmost longitude and easternmost longitude. So you can point like this also children. Our India lies in these latitudes and in these longitudes children. This is the first. Now we'll see for the second answer. If India is located in Arctic Circle, how would be your life different? If India is located in Arctic Circle, life would be different in many ways. First, our lifestyle, like clothes we wear, the food we eat will be completely different children. The staple food would be fish and meat of hunted animals. The clothes we would like to wear of that of fur clothes to protect us from cold. Our houses would be of igloo type. There won't be any vegetation because of extreme cold. Life would be extremely difficult and problematic to live on. We would not experience different seasons. We would not be able to see sun too. This is how the presentation, and this question also mostly for 2 marks only. If you write this much is enough for 2 marks children. Next we'll see, this is an important bit children. World landforms originated from 2 landforms, Angara land and Gondwana land. Angara land is also called as Laurasia, Gondwana land. I have given some important, this is very important. India is a part of, it means India is a part of Gondwana land. Now we'll go for the next page children. Everything, figures I have given easily, you can understand children. How Himalayas are formed. You can see Himalayas pointing I have made from here to right. It should not come in Uttar Pradesh children. Right? It's in Nepal only. You can see Nepal, Sikkim, right? Bhutan and Arunachal Pradesh. That's very, very important. Himalayas I have written here so that you can understand. Again I have written here also Himalayas. So here I have written Nepal so that you know this is Nepal. You should know this is Bhutan. And our state Sikkim also in between these children. Right. Now we'll see the answer. Right. How Himalayas are formed. Over 200 million years ago, Gondwana land split into pieces. Peninsular Indian plate moved towards northeast and collides with greater or larger Eurasian plate. With collision and immense compressional force, mountains evolved through a folding process and thus Himalayas are formed. So it is towards the north of India, you can see Himalayas are there. And next, identify or locate islands in Bay of Bengal and islands in Arabian Sea. Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Island. This also I show in this map, children. You can see. Bay of Bengal here. East side of India is Bay of Bengal. In Bay of Bengal, the islands are Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And Arabian Sea, the islands are right Lakshadweep Islands, children. This is the one question where you can prepare very well, children. Next will come for identify Indra Point. What is special about it? Again here also map pointing I have shown, children, so that you can very easily can understand and remember. This is Andaman and Nicobar Island. The edge point of Andaman and Nicobar Island is Indra Point, which is the southernmost tip of India. Now we'll see how we'll write this, present this answer. Indra Point is right in southernmost tip of India. It got its name from our former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. It is submerged in 2004 tsunami. It is located in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, children. Next, why India is often called a peninsula. That also I have shown, children. India is covered by water on three sides. That is, on the west Arabian Sea, on east Bay of Bengal, east Bay of Bengal, in the South Indian Ocean. That is why India is often called a peninsula. You can see here India, right, like this we can see here Bay of Bengal water, here Arabian Sea water, and here Indian Ocean water. That means it is covered by water on three sides. That is why it is called as Indian Ocean. Here it is not there, children. It in further map I have shown this. No need to see this. I have cancelled, and I thought again I will give a clear picture of it in another question, children. So don't take this as right. And next question again we will see, children. Next question. Here I have shown right standard meridian. Write about Indian standard meridian. First we'll see IST. What is the full form of IST? Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time is measured through a longitude which passes from Allahabad in India is known as Indian Standard Meridian. So is known as Indian Standard Meridian, which is considered as central longitude 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude, which is 5.5 hours 30 minutes or 5.5 hours is ahead of Greenwich Mean Time, children. Now that see, you can see here. This is the longitude, children, which we considered in our country to measure the Indian Standard Time. 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude, children. Right, you have seen. Now the knack of drawing this line is nothing but, here you can see Sri Lanka is there. Right, adjacent to Sri Lanka should only touch, children. Sri Lanka should not pass this side. Only at the edge of Sri Lanka this line should touch. And you put a scale and straight you draw a line. Then it is Indian Standard Time, children. Without any doubt, with confidence that line is correct, children. If you draw like that, using this idea adjacent to Sri Lanka, children. You can see in your textbook also. Line is drawn adjacent to the Sri Lanka. Right, that's how Indian Standard Time. 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude we have. And the next question we'll see. Name the latitude which divides the India into two equal parts. Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degree north latitude, children. That is north. You can see. Here I have drawn, right? 8 states come, children, for this. Right? This is the central longitude that is known as Tropic of Cancer, which divides India into two equal parts. Right? And this part lies in the tropical area. This part lies in the temperate area, children. Now again for this Indian Standard Meridian, which I have also written here, central longitude through which IST is measured. Indian Standard Time is measured, children. And in this video, just I am finishing here only, children. If you like it, if you find very useful for your preparation, like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. More videos I'll upload, children, of number of lessons in